Morning, Mr. Kim.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Kim.
Good morning. Take a seat.
Today, we are presenting our storyboard on the correct advertisement.
If you have any comments, feel free to tell us.
Alright, let's begin. This is a pretty good advertisement. However, I feel something is missing.
Like what is this?
I feel a little disappointed. I would prefer if you guys could aim more folk culture so that the local Koreans are able to link into their daily life. I know that you guys take your work seriously, but with this addition, the ad will be much better.
Sure, Mr. Kim. However, we have went through the past advertisements and didn't see much incorporation of the folk culture in Korea.
So, what could you suggest to help make this ad better?
I suggest that we could add like maybe pop culture in the advertisement.
Well, why not we try to combine these two ideas that we have came up with and let's combine it into the ad. Shall we?
Okay, we will try that on.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you, Mr. Kim.
Alright, thank you guys.